finished my workout and my run this morning. I did a nice 4-kilometer run, 5:16 pace, which isn't my personal best. It's 1 second off my personal best, but I'm getting good at getting closer and closer to the 5-minute mark, which I'm so excited about. Like, it's crazy to think that in January I was rocking a 7-minute per kilometer pace, so I'm getting good. Now I need to go take a shower. Okay, I just got a message from work so that I can already get started on that. I've got my goal for today. Dishwasher's done, laundry's being done. It's a beautiful sunny day back on the Gold Coast. So I'm gonna get started on work, and then maybe I'll see if I'll already get started making up the bedroom for the girls coming over tomorrow, and just tidying up, and then I'm gonna go see a friend later on today. A little bit nervous actually today, because last Friday when I worked from home, it was like my first Friday working from home and like my third day really. So I was still trying to figure out how I do everything, and it took me a really long time to do everything, and then in the end I just felt very upset because I wasn't performing up to the standard I'd set for myself. Even though it's my third day, I know it's like slightly ridiculous, but it's something I'm working on. And I felt like I kind of like let the team down or let myself down. So today will be very interesting to see how I go, because he's doubled the workload for today, so I should be able to finish them within the time frame of my work. So let's see how I go. Also, I want to like have a minute to have lunch, so I think I might actually make some tea while these are downloading, and then I can head straight into the edits and then send them off. My goal is to get, I got 6 to do. My goal is to get 3.5 done by 12. I can then have like a little lunch and then carry on. I need to finish by 4. I am taking a bit of a break just to make some tea because I'm freezing. I think I'm fully acclimated to Australian weather because it's like 20+ degrees today and I am so cold. I am in a jumper, my jogging bottoms, and I'm even wearing socks, and the sun's out and I'm drinking tea because I am so cold. But today's going really, really well. Like last Friday, I was doing about 1 hour 40 for every video, and today I've tracked that I'm about 40 minutes to an hour, which is really good. So I'm doing really well. I'm so happy. I managed to do some laundry, get ready. Like the place is a little bit of a mess. It's a bit chaotic, but that's later's problem. I actually started at 9:30 today instead of 10, so I'm hoping if I can get these videos edited by 3:30, then I get to leave a little bit earlier and just get some stuff done before I get to see my friend, which I'm so excited about. And I swear, like, this book has held me captivated. I'm on book, I think, 5 of 8, and it's just so good. I'm like reading it in every spare moment of my time, which is not great because I got other things to do, but it's just, it's so good, so good. Anyway, since I'm not around colleagues today, I thought I'd talk to you guys as like my trip to the canteen chat, but let's get back to it. Also, I think we need a new chair because I'm sitting pretty badly on this and I can feel it in my knees. I don't want to get old too quickly. I've made some lunch, just peanut butter really, on bread, and I'm still having my tea. I'm just gonna work through my lunch today just so I can get these done. Yeah, maybe I get to finish earlier. Who knows? It'll be fun. It'll be nice, and then I can get some stuff sorted, go to the store, and have a long weekend. I actually ended up finishing all the videos. I uploaded them and he took a look and something was wrong with some of the videos, so I just quickly fixed them and then now I'm re-uploading them. 4 out of 5 are up. 4 out of 6 are up. The 5th one is currently uploading. It's taking a lot longer than normal, I feel like, so I am just getting hydrated with my cherry hydration drink, which is super yum. Yay, I just got a confirmation that the edits are good. I'm gonna read while I wait for it to finish because I think I'm done afterwards, fingers crossed. I just got confirmation that everything looks good, so I'm free to go. I am just double checking everything before I leave. But I'm so excited. I did it. I did what I said I was gonna do and I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Like, so proud. Anyway, I'm gonna clean up, get ready, and then go meet my friend for some Korean food. Super excited. It's actually so warm out now. I'm gonna clean up the mess behind me. I'm gonna get ready to see my friend. I'm so excited. I think I know what I'm making tomorrow as well for the girls when they're coming over because they want to try Filipino food, which is really nice. I need to get ready. Like, I need to go in like 10 minutes. You're such a little distraction. Nice outside. I'm wondering if I should change into something else because I've been kind of wearing like leggings every day. So I've gone with my Sage trousers, my Converses, and then a white top underneath and my white long sleeve just in case it gets a bit chilly. I think it looks kind of cute. I'm gonna leave in a minute. I think I'm just gonna bring my phone with me and vlog on my phone, but this week has just been so good. Like, it started off a little rocky, but I'm so proud of myself for doing everything that I said I was gonna do, even though I felt like a little bit down. But you know what? It's ending on a high. I'm so happy and I'm so excited for this weekend. I made it to South Point. I waited a whole 3 minutes next to my car because it was $1.60 to pay for parking for 3 minutes. Yeah, not likely. So I just waited and now it's free. So now I'm gonna meet up with my friend. I'm so excited. It's so cool over here. They're not even open and yet they're already filled seats. Oh really? Yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Probably inside. This place is great. I'm so freaking excited to eat. We've got cheese and chicken, and then some soup that's coming. Oh my god, I love this place. Oh, that's ominous. So I have food I'm bringing home for Ferdy. It was so much and it was so delicious. Like, we are definitely coming back there. Maybe we'll even take James if he likes Korean food. But there's like other places here. There's Hot Pot. I'm just like, I'm so excited to come back here. Anyway, it's like 8:30. My throat is hurting. I'm tired. But I love catching up with her. She's such a great human being, and I love having these conversations with people that are just amazing. So Anyway, let's go home.